In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to salvage old tile. I have some tile that has some date in my historic home. It was made a long time ago and it's hard to find. Apparently this particular bathroom tile, I've been told by the tile shop, sells for $40 per piece. So $40 per square. You can't buy it in any store anymore. And I've been told also by others that this was a very popular piece of tile. It's basically white with gold dust on it. So, because I don't have a lot of resources, and I'm restoring this old home, which is over 120 years old, I've had to salvage as much of the tile as I can possibly do. So what I would recommend is getting an oscillating tool like this. You can get this at Harbor Freight for about, I've forgotten now, about $16 or something. I'm sorry, I've forgotten. It was really cheap, probably $14 or $10, I don't remember. But this blade was about $20, and what the blade has is a rough surface. So this is an oscillating tool. What all it does is oscillate this, create a vibration. The vibration, ultrasonic waves and sonic waves, as well as the vibratory waves, allow the breaking up of this mortar, and it comes off pretty easily, especially on the tiles that weren't over mortared. If you look here, look how thick the thin set and the mortars was laid down for this piece. It's absolutely abhorrent. You can tell that this isn't actually even mortar, this is some sort of epoxy. So the prior homeowner was a real person, a real interesting person. It's absolutely disgusting, the quality of the work. I forgot to mention that the person who owned this home before was a medical student, and the realtor bragged how great he was at handiwork. He's currently an emergency medicine doctor in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I just wanted to say hello. You just never know what you're buying when you get a home. And I don't trust anybody when it comes to their craftsmanship. But this is absolutely disgusting. emergency medicine, Albuquerque, New Mexico. I'm sure he treats his patients the same way. This happens to be an older piece of tile that was done properly by probably a person who knew how to do tile. That piece, this piece, I don't know. I don't understand it. What is this? This is Gorilla Glue? It almost looks like Gorilla Glue. Notice also how this was done right, and this piece of tile is salvageable, but this was done using some, who the heck knows what this is, and look, it just broke off. Can't even reuse this piece because the guy who did it, I forgot, he's an emergency medicine physician, doctor, is that what they call it? He treats patients, and I hope to God he doesn't treat patients the same way. But you can be sure, I don't know, I'm not going to say anything. This is really great because it's so, it vibrates so much that it can even take off stuff on the tile without damaging it. what I want to do is preserve as many pieces as I can. Since these are $40 a piece, retail, you just can't buy it anymore. One of the hazards of these oscillating saws is they cause neuropathy. So it's a pad design. They should have a huge piece of padding around the handle. What it'll do is it'll cause irritation to the to the nerves in the hand, the radial, ulnar, median nerves, all the way up to your axillary nerve, and you can probably even feel it in your brachial plexus because it irritates your ability to sleep. Wear a mask and also have positive airflow. This dust is not safe for anybody. I'll come back to this piece in a little bit. But these pieces, I mean, look at that. What is that? Jeez. There it is again. It's not worth it. Here it is again. Look how thick the mortar is on that. Is that for real? This one's coated with that same thing, so I won't be able to use it. And look how it chipped. Just because the backing is not inset. Look how thick that thin set is. It's outrageous. It's because he didn't use a cement board. He used plywood. certain pieces I can salvage. I might be able to use this for a bottom piece. When this thing tries to remove it, it burns and it smells like wood putty. It's like, I don't know why you put wood putty on the back of a piece of tile. Silicone or wood putty, yeah. Wood putty is what it looks like.